guys, welcome back to the channel. So here I will be analysing my latest sketch of the morning. So I'll just get to it, and again, I feel like a broken record, but any terms I'm about to use, please contact me if you don't know what they mean, but I will get on with it. So utilise, again, good speed along with observational and geometric methods. This one took me 3 minutes and 20 minutes. 3 minutes and 20 seconds, I should say. This took me 2 minutes and 2.5 minutes, beg pardon, and again 2.5 minutes. I feel like the first one is the best one, or the closest to the reference photo. It's the proportional and structurally closest to the reference photo, and the layout is in line with the reference. Number 2, the jawline I didn't quite capture as best as the first one, so hence why there's a wee line underneath. And I should say I do not rub any lines out. I keep it to quick speed and good speed. So the third one is a quick style, which I literally just done line after line onto the next bit. So line, line, next bit. And that is generally the kind of style that I've been trying to get used to. It is a different style, and it's definitely something that I'm still trying to get used to, as I said. So observational and geometric for all three, I am improving, and the accuracy and the proportions are improving as well. Please let me know if you don't know what I'm talking about, or if you use a different method to me, or if there's anything that I don't, if there's any other methods that I'm not aware of. If you're using these, then awesome. If you're not, and using something else and you're getting more beneficial results, let me know that as well. And I shall see you next time. Bye bye.